What is up, YouTube? And it's your boy Tay. And yep, I'm not dressed yet, so
boy, if you don't get
now we can get started with the video. So we got another reaction today, and like this video, like my girlfriend was like, "Oh my god, I got a video for you to react to, but don't click the link until you get ready to react to it." And I was like, "Alright, that sounds kind of sketch, but I'm gonna do it." Oh yes, my girlfriend, it's gonna be right there. It's gonna be a picture like right there. A bay. Probably have my hands all over faces, then it'll be alright. But yeah, she was like, react to it, and I was like, you just want me to react to it? You want all of us to react to it? She was like, ooh, you should get everybody to react to it. I was like, okay, I'll react to it first, and then I'll get them to react to it in a separate video, so I can post out 2 videos. But the title of the video is "Men Get Their Back, Sack, and Crack Waxed." Nope, don't want to at all. But since she asked me to react to this video, I'm gonna react to the video, and I'm gonna make sure that I get Dominique and Craig to react to this. Make sure I'll do that. So I'm finna get ready to I'm gonna start the video up and see how it goes.
What part am I least looking forward to? All of it. I'm genuinely getting my testicles waxed, so. Yeah, I'm terrified. I'm really terrified.
I would be too.
I'm sweating already. It's no problem, I've done nothing yet. It's literally going to be all of my hair being ripped out of my skin, along with a layer of skin.
I'm already getting ready to cringe.
Oh my god. Okay, so I'm just going to keep your legs apart from me. Oh no. How'd you feel? Vulnerable.
Wait, are you started? What are you doing?
Oh, shout out to the G-Shock.
Okay.
I see you.
What is this?
See
Hot
what
wax?
the G-Shock on.
Okay. I mean, what else would it be?
Oh! Is that it? No. Okay.
Are you just doing the whole arse in one go? Oh my god. I mean, the heat itself. It's so quick.
No! Am I bleeding?
That nigga like to fall off the table though.
Wax that crack here. Just relax your backside, okay? I've heard that before. I feel like someone's dismantling a wardrobe. Like, that's the ferocity that I'm being attended to. It feels like there's 1,000 needles in my arse.
No, have you ever been robbed before and you know it's gonna happen, but it just happens and you're like, this wasn't part of the script.
Okay, so I need you to kind of position it for me.
What's that? Oh no, this is the one I was.
That's it. And this one.
This is how it starts.
Let's put it down. That's it.
Oh my god, I feel like I'm in prison. Okay, this is a lot going here. That's a heat I've never felt there.
Really, that is too deep, you know? Really.
Oh!
Okay, but oh! Just made a new friend.
That nigga sweat hard as shit. Oh no.
Yeah, great. Like I'm on holiday.
My mom raised me better than this.
Oh, here we go. I feel like I'm about to give birth, like I'm gonna throw my legs up on stirrups.
This is much hotter than the other one.
Oh, don't say that.
Oh, that is harsh.
Oh, you're not wrong. You are not wrong. Oh yeah, lash more on, why don't you?
No, it doesn't have to come off. Listen, it's okay. It'll come up at its own time.
Was. Oh, easily was the worst. Oh my god. Mazel tov.
Bruh. Why did you want me to watch this, bro? This is like straight
that was the worst one yet. This is a lot sore. Sorry, so sorry if I flailed there, but
if you feel
no, all I feel is like I feel like calmer and I feel like in one with the world, you know?
Am I going to be a better swimmer now? Yeah, I feel a lot lightheaded.
I feel numb. I feel numb and like gooey.
Yeah, I didn't expect there to be positions. Put it like that. I didn't expect myself to open all fours. And like, whiten your legs there. Hold your arse cheek open, please. I was like, yeah, that's the part I was like, okay, wasn't ready for that. I'm just holding my beard, just really appreciating that it's still there.
Okay. So, yeah, okay, all right. So, yeah, yep. There you go, though. That's the reaction to that. You want to watch the original? That shit just done threw my whole brain off. Would never be able to get that done ever. Never, ever. Never, ever. Never will be able to. But if you want to see the original video, a link to it will be down in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. There was some editing problems in the video. Yeah, the editor sucked. Yeah, editor's me, by the way. But yeah, those problems won't be in future videos, so you know, worry about that. In fact, the next video upload all audio problems are fixed. So yeah, thank you for watching.